Philippians 1:6. Being confident of this very thing, that he which hath begun a good work in you will perform it until the day of Jesus Christ. God's work in you is a promise that will never fail. No matter where you are in your journey or what storms you face, trust that he who began it is faithful to complete it. You are not abandoned. You are being shaped step by step and refined. You don't have to rush the process. Just trust that God's timing is perfect and he is continually working in you, refining you, and growing you, even when you don't see it or feel it right away. Every step of growth, every lesson learned is part of his grand design, and he will finish what he started in you.